Samrat, Samrat, Mansi, next, Navanita, Rituparna, Purnapama, Purnapama, Manoj, Shalu, Purnapama, Manoj, Shalu, Prithviraj, Patil, Rudranil, Suraj, Trisha. Patil, Rudranil, Suraj, and Trisha. People, Vishal Dev. Vishal Dev, people.
Yes, sir.
Vishal Dev,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vishal is saying, is it the first class to you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Previously you are attended?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But from the past 2-3 days you are not attending the class, no?
Sir, my network is full.
What?
Sir, my net is the my net slow है यहाँ पे.
Oh, okay.
इसलिए sir.
But now, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So previously we have learned, in the previous class we have learned how do we solve the pair of linear equation in two variables geometrically. Is nothing but geometrical solution is nothing but graphical solution. Means through the graph, how do we solve that? We have learned it. How to represent the given pair of linear equations on a graph, and if they are intersecting at one point, the intersecting point will become the solution of the graphic, means that pair of linear equations, and it is called as a graphical solution, and that graphical solution is only called as a geometrical solution. It is called as geometrical solution. So now to solve this pair of linear equations in two variables, there are different methods. That methods are algebraic methods. So algebraic methods. So not only one method you are having. In algebraically solving is nothing but geometrically solving is nothing but only one method, that is called as a graphical method. It is called as a graphical method. Now algebraically solving is nothing but there will be a different methods to us to solve it. So that is, one is substitution method. Next, elimination method. Second one is elimination method. The third one is cross multiplication method. So this cross multiplication method is deleted from your syllabus this year due to the COVID-19. This method is not necessary to learn. It is given in the syllabus if you see properly. So syllabus already I have shared to you the new syllabus and deleted topics also. In the deleted topics, if you see properly, then you will be able to find that cross multiplication method is deleted. So it is not necessary to learn. There are two methods.
Sir.
Method. Yes.
Sir, can I ask something?
Huh?
Sir, can I ask something?
Who is that? Who is speaking?
Sir, people.
People. What?
Sir, sir, from where these methods are being discovered?
For all it is like that only.
No, sir. From where this elimination method has been?
Purnapama, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is visible means, see here, do remember that if the signal problem is there at your area, it disturbs you.
No, sir. My question is from where these methods are discovered?
Not getting your voice properly.
Sir, my question is that from where these methods are discovered?
These methods are
Discovered.
not getting your voice clearly.
Sir,
Okay,
where
I'll
these
give you-
methods are discovered?
Sir, he is saying that where these methods are common means who is the man that discovered this method? People is asking.
Oh. See here, different mathematicians have worked on this. So it is not particularly given that this method is discovered by in any book. If you see that this method is discovered by discovered is nothing but method. Who introduced this method? You are saying. Okay. So it is not particularly given in any book that normally this method is discovered by this mathematician like that. Okay, I will refer and I will tell to you. Now it is not that much necessary to you to see that one that question. Okay. So now substitution method and elimination method. Based on the substitution method, what to do? So to know the substitution method. So now let us go for the exercise. First substitution method, let us learn. Substitution method mein exercise 3.3 is completely based on a substitution method only. So the problems based on exercise 3.3 let us solve, and using the substitution method we will solve the problems. So means finding the solution of the how do we use the substitution method? Okay, that let us see here. First substitution method. Substitution method is nothing but if the two pair of linear equations are given to you. One pair of linear equations are given to you. One variable we will express in terms of other variable completely, and that we will substitute in the second equation. That's when it is substituted in the second equation, then the second equation will be completely converted into the single variable equation. It is completely converted into the single variable equation. Since it is completely converted into the single variable equation, so then you can say that you can find out the solution of that one variable, and then what variable you can substitute in the other way. So like this, if I explain to you, there will be a confusion. Let us take the one problem. By taking one problem, let us solve it. Okay. So now exercise 3.3 is substitution method. That let us learn it now. Exercise 3.3. Okay, now I'll ask you before that. Suppose I'll give you the one question to you. Second question, let us take it, because first question is very simple to solve it. Second question, let us take it. It is given that S minus C is equals to 3. This is the one equation. And the other equation is S by 3 plus T by 2. other equation s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. So now this equation is normally it is in the form of the general form x plus dy plus c. The coefficients are the, but here if you see that the coefficients are not a natural number, they are the fractions. So let us convert this one into the 2s plus 3t is equals to 6. So now what you will get here from this 2s plus 3t is equals to 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 6, 36. Now here, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now I'll ask one question to you. Don't give the answer. I may ask you anyone. Okay. Now if you see these two equations, what is a1 by a2 in this case? a1 by a2 in this case. Rudranil.
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा बोर्ड।
सर हाँ सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
कौन बोल रहा है अभी? पूर्णा नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
नो
सर यू आर नॉट विजिबल।
सर विजिबल नहीं है।
ओके 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 वेट।
Hello.
Hello. Now is it visible to you?
नो सर।
सर सर ब्लर हो रहा है।
No sir.
सर ब्लर है।
Okay. Now is it visible? Is it visible and audible?
नो सर।
नो सर।
तो सुनाई दे रहा है लेकिन वो ब्लर हो रहा है वीडियो।
हाँ सर, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, सुनाई दे रहा है।
सर बहुत ब्लर है सर। ये आई विल ट्राई।
हेलो।
हेलो ब्रदर।
ये पीपल नहीं है, कौन है? ये पीपल नहीं है, कौन है?
तू क्या कर रही है? ये क्या कर रही है?
कौन है ये?
प्रांतिक है ये प्रांतिक है भाई, प्रांतिक है ये।
क्या कर रही है?
चलो टेस्ट, चलो सब लोग टेस्ट दो।
सब लोग क्या कर रहे हो? सब लेफ्ट मारो। चिमगंडी क्या कर रही है? क्या दिमाग लगा रहे हो तुम लोग? प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हो क्या?
सब लोग टेस्ट दो लो, मैं स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करता हूँ।
नहीं टेस्ट नहीं देगा कोई टेस्ट नहीं। सीसीटीवी में कितना मिला? भाई सीसीटीवी में कितना मिला रे? कितना मिला सीसीटीवी में? मतलब 29 मिला सीसीटीवी। 31 में 29 मिला मेरे को। हट।
सर नहीं है क्या? हेलो।
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, outside there is a heavy rain. So that's why my Geo network is disconnected. That's why you are not able to see. Then I have connected school Wi-Fi. Okay. Now it is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, my question is, I asked the question that two equations are given. This is A1 by A1x plus B1 by like that if you consider. So yes, instead of the x here, s is the variable. Instead of the y, c is the variable. Here it is given to you.
Sir, you are not visible.
बताइए बात सर यू आर नॉट विजिबल
Is it okay?
नो सर, सर ब्लर है, बहुत ब्लर है।
हाँ,
सर अभी ठीक हुआ है।
सर ठीक है।
अभी ठीक है?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर।
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
होगा,
हाँ
मैक्सिमम
सर।
तो होगा। मैं तो ट्राई कर लिया है। In all the ways I have tried to connect it in a proper way. Okay, s minus t is equals to 3, 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. So now here, to solve these two equations, you may get doubts, sir, is it necessary to express this equation with the integral coefficient? Coefficients are integrals, integers. So like that, is it necessary? Means not necessary. But if you do that, the problems will become a little bit easy. They become a little bit easy. So please switch off the mic. Someone's microphone is on. Purnapama, please. If you have a doubt, you switch on and ask. Okay. Now here, if you see that s minus t is equals to 3. So 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. From the first equation, you can write s is equals to 3 plus t. S is equals to 3 plus t. And this you have to substitute in equation number 2. Wherever equation number 2 is having s, wherever it is having s, there you have to substitute in the place of s 3 plus t. In the place of s 3 plus t you have to substitute. So what you will here? So you will get it 2 into, second equation is changing into 2 into s. In the place of s you write 3 plus t plus 3t is equals to 36. So we are substituting, that's why we call it as a substitution method. So then you will get here 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equals to 36. So 6 उधर लेके जाओ, दोनों को ऐड करो. 5t is equals to 36 minus 6. So 5t is equals to 30. So t is equals to 30 by 5. 30 by 5 is nothing but 6. T is equals to 6. This t is equals to 6 you have to substitute in any one of the two equations. Substitute t is equals to 6 in equation number 1. इसमें substitute करो. Otherwise इसमें substitute करो, s directly आ जाएगा. If you substitute in this, you will get s value directly. So s minus 6 is equals to 3. S is equals to 3 plus 6. So s is equals to 9. S is equals to 9. So s is equals to 9. T is equals to 6. Did you get my point here? So this is the solution of, so s is equals to 9 and t is equals to 6 is the solution of given pair of linear equations. Did you understand? Now here this can be what? Hello? Someone said
Yes,
something.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you see properly here, what do you come to know here? Suppose this solution can be done in another way also. Here we have written the s value in terms of t. S t is written in terms of t and it is substituted here. So I will do the same solution in another way. Another way is nothing but t you can write in terms of s. S minus t is equals to 3 is the one equation. T को उधर भेज दो, 3 को इधर भेज दो. So what do you get here? S minus 3 is equals to t आ जाएगा. So t is equals to s minus 3. T is equal to that t value substitute here in this second equation. Now the second equation is reformed into 2s plus 3 into t का place में s minus 3 लिखना है. S minus 3 is equals to 36. First you will get s value and that s value if you substitute here t value you will get. So both you can say that you can check 2s plus 3s minus 9 is equals to 36. 9 you send this side और ये दोनों को add करो 5s is equals to 45, s is equals to 9. S is equals to 9, इसमें substitute करो. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. T is equals to 6. So we got same the solution if you substitute like that. And some of you feel that, sir, ये simple है ना? ये simple नहीं है. This is not simple actually. The steps are decreased, not written in a proper way. Did you understand? So any variable can be expressed in another variable. One variable should be expressed in terms of other variable. If one variable is expressed in terms of other variable, so and what variable to be expressed, you need to decide. The better thing is that every time, whenever you express the variable which is having the coefficient as a 1 or minus 1. The variable which is having the coefficient as a 1 or minus 1, that variable you try to express in terms of other variable. Sir, if there is no chance to us to get like that, what to do? So you may get error. If you not having any chance like that, then normally you can proceed. So let us see some more problems based on this. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us go for the remaining problems what are given in this. So this is called the substitution method because we are substituting the one variable in terms of other variable in the other equation. So that the second equation is transformed into the single variable equation, and from that you will find out the solution easily. Okay. So did you understand here? So now the next question, if you see that fourth question says 0.2, 0.3 like that it is given. If it is given also 0.2, you can better you change them into the integral coefficients when it is given to you, because otherwise there will be a confusion to you. So I'm not going to give the complete solution to you. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3. The second equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3. This equation you take, this equation you take. If you multiply the complete equation by the 10, complete equation means left hand side and right hand side both you have to multiply by the 10. So if you multiply this one by the 10, it is going to reform into 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. So every number is having, every coefficient is having after the decimal point only one digit. So automatically all can be deleted. Automatically all can be deleted. So this decimal points can be deleted. Now here you are going to get this as a 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now this is the first equation, this is second equation. So in these two equations, if you see that any one equation, it is not conformly first equation on this to be taken. Any equation can be taken first, and that equation one variable to be expressed in terms of other variable. If you want here, this you can take or this you can take. Suppose if you take this one, in substitution method if you want, first equation I am taking, and this I am writing as a x in terms of y I want to express. So 13 minus 3y आ जाएगा. 2x is equals to 13 minus 3y. Isn't it? Now x is equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. See here, if you see that any coefficient you are not having, any coefficient is not having 1. If you have that any coefficient as a 1, suppose here 1 is there, this equation you choose. This you express in terms of other variables, so that the problem becomes easy little bit. Otherwise it becomes little complicated. इसको third equation मान लो. Substitute in equation number 2. Second equation में substitute करो. Now the second equation will be transformed. X लिखना है, ये लिखना है. What do you write here? 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equals to 23. Now here 4 into 13 minus 3y plus 2 into 5y divided by 2 is equals to 23. This step did you understand? I did the LCM. Here you are having 1. So here denominator is 2. So that's why this is multiplied by 2. And 2, this 2 you take to the right hand side. This 2 you take to the right hand. So whenever you write, see here, most of the students will get confused. This is already equation. When you write the equation to the next equation, implies should be written. Here is equals to most of the students will write. That is a wrong way of writing. You should not write like that. Here you should not write the is equals to, implies, because already is equals to you are having here. This is equation. So now इसको simplify करना है. So what do you get here? 4 से multiply करो. 4 into 13. 13 4 जा triple. Is there? पुनः पाओ. 13 4 जा. Don't know.
52.
See here. Huh?
52.
Yes, 52. Very good. So 13 for the 52 tables you need to learn at any time. I will ask you the question. 52 minus 4 3s are 12. 12y plus 2 5s are 10. 10y is equals to 23 into 2. Here 2 is taken this side. 23 into 2. So now here, if you simplify these two, 52 minus 2y is equals to 23 to the 46. Now the 46 take this side and 2y to that side. So 52 minus 46 is equals to 2y. 56 minus 42 कितना है? 14. 14 is equals to 2y. From this y is equals to 14 divided by 2. So this implies y is equals to 7. This y is equals to 7 again substitute in equation number 3. Because 3 में directly you are having x. Sir, if I substitute that in this equation, will you get y? Yes, same y you will get. If you substitute this one in this, you will get the same value. If you substitute this one in this, you will get the same value. The easiest way is to substitute this one. So x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. This is equals to 13 minus 7 3s are 21 by 2. So what do you get? Minus 8 by 2 is nothing but minus 4. So therefore x is equals to minus 4. And here, sorry, I forgot you in the previous problem. After getting the solution can be get in multiple ways. So now I want you people to do in your notebook as a homework this problem, not like this. Second equation you take and substitute in the first equation. First I have taken first equation. See here, this problem can be solved in 4 different ways. Not only 4, multiple ways, so many ways you will get here. Why? Because here I have taken x. If I take y, one method you will get. पहला y आ जाएगा, वो y इसमें substitute करना है. First you will get the y value. Then after that y value substituting in any one of the equations, x value will get. That is one way. If you choose the second equation में x express करना है. If you express the x in the second equation in terms of y, that is a one method. If you express the y in the second equation in terms of x, that is another method. And finally, whether this problem is right or wrong, how do you verify? Any one of you can say? Can you tell? Whether this is right or wrong, how do you verify? Do anyone know? Do anyone know that? How do you verify this, whether it is right or wrong?
सर अगर फिर से यही इक्वेशन आ गया तो अगर सेम इक्वेशन आ गया तो ये सही है ना, मतलब वो प्रोसेस करके.
No, I didn't get your point. Once again you say. आपने क्या बोला समझ में नहीं आया बेटा.
सर पूरा मैथ्स करके उसका, इसके बाद अगर फिर से वो मतलब जो इक्वेशन था ऊपर का वो अगर फिर से हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं तभी सही है क्या?
तो कैसे करते हैं बोलो. ओरल यूज से
सर y का कोफिशिएंट सेम करके y का दो मतलब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का
No, 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 not, that is not verifying. That is not verification. It is another method of finding the solution. वेरिफिकेशन मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आपने क्या बोल रहे हैं? दैट इज अनदर मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग द सॉल्यूशन. वाई लेके वाई वैल्यू एक्स में एक्सप्रेस करके और इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सेम आंसर आएगा ना, ये चेक करना है ना. ना, दैट इज अनदर मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग. यस
सर, वो x का वैल्यू x में जाकर पुट करना है और y का जो वैल्यू निकला वो y में जाकर पुट करना है.
इन वेयर वी हैव टू पुट.
सर, वो जहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में x का दिया हुआ है, जैसे कि 2 पॉइंट
इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है.
नहीं, उसके नहीं, पहले वाला जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें.
इसमें
हाँ सर.
इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए तो सही आया तो करेक्ट आंसर है.
हाँ
हाँ
नहीं सर, दोनों में कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते नहीं, दोनों में करना है पक्का. दोनों में करना है. दोनों में दोनों को सेटिस्फाई हो गया तो तभी ये सॉल्यूशन सही बोलते हैं. अब दोनों ये दोनों में सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का जरूरत नहीं. ये दोनों सेम है. ओके, चाहे तो बिकॉज बेटर यू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन दिस ओनली बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर हैविंग 0.2 मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 0.2 थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन. ओके, लेट अस वेरीफाई वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. एक्स क्या है? -4 है. वाई क्या है? 7 है. इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 2 इंटू -4 प्लस 3 इंटू वाई वैल्यू क्या है? 7. ये कितना आना है? हाउ मच वी नीड टू गेट? वी नीड टू गेट इट एज ए 13. तो 13 आना है. -8 प्लस 21. -8 प्लस 21 कितना है? 13. ये आ गया बोल के ये सही है बोल के नहीं मानना है. लेट अस गो फॉर द, वी नीड टू चेक फॉर द सेकंड इक्वेशन आल्सो. सेकंड इक्वेशन में भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. 4 इंटू -4 प्लस 5 इंटू 7 इज इक्वल टू -16 प्लस 7 5 25. So -16 plus 25 is equals to, sorry.
Sir, 7 5s are 35.
Oh, sorry.
25 लिख दिया.
Okay. Sir, 7 5
Sir, 45 लिखा, अभी 35 होगा.
Sorry. 35 minus 16. 16, but wait. Do we substitute anything? No. Then what do you get here? 35 से 16 subtract करना है. So what do you get? Do we get 23? 23 आ रहे हैं. 45 minus 16 कितना है?
Sir, 19 आ रहा है.
तो 19 आ रहा है तो ये गलत हो गया ना.
हाँ सर.
गलत है तो किधर गलत हो गया? तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन वट एवर वी हैव डिड इज मिस्टेक. समवेयर एल्स वी कमिट अ मिस्टेक. वेयर इज अ मिस्टेक? यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई अगेन गो बैक. देखो ये पहला वाला आया बोल के नहीं है तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन में हम लोग गलत कर दिया होगा. क्वेश्चन सही से ले लिया. नाउ इट इज अ टास्क टू अस टू check whether the given solution means where we committed the mistake. One by one step verify करो and identify that where do you have a mistake. देखो ये तो सही है. 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Wait. Let us give a chance to everyone. Let us give the chance to everyone. So that's why I am saying that two equations we have to, after getting the solution, in the two equations you need to substitute and verify it. You need to verify it compulsorily. Otherwise, if you are not verifying it, then it is, and if it one equation satisfies, then you should not confirm that it is correct. Let us give the chance. So please wait. We'll take the 1 minute time. Then after we'll go for the other solution.
Sir.
Wait. I'll give the chance to you. Any one of you got the mistake? किधर हो गया हमारा?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Why I see here? मैं फटाफट क्यों कर दिया पता है? ये जानबूझ के किया है मैं. I did it wantedly. So you are, see this, if you remember that in every problem you will apply. Here सही आ जाएगा, but here सही नहीं आएगा. I have taken such type of the solution आने के लिए वांटेडली गलत करके मैंने वैसे किया है. अब मिस्टेक किधर है आइडेंटिफाई करना. So only one identified. Wait. How many of you? Rituparna identified. Purnapama identified.
सर
सर
Yes. Trisha identified. Wait. Don't say the solution now. Mistake है, मुझे भी पता है, मैं भी वांटेडली कर दिया है. वो किधर है सबको, they have to know that ना. Everyone have to know.
सर पता चल गया.
कर लिया, आया.
हाँ सर.
ओके, मैं एक को पूछता हूँ. इसको कौन बोल सकता है? पृथ्वीराज, कैन यू टेल? नो, पृथ्वीराज. See, when the question is asked, you are not supposed to do like that. Just this is casual discussion only in the class. सर क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, आउट कर लिया. Okay, it is suppose originally signal problem is there. Okay, we can consider. Prabhiraj, can you tell?
सर वो 52 कहाँ से आ गया?
52 कहाँ से आ गया? Very good. 13 4 का 52 सही है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. So be alert while I am solving the problem. Okay. Time is also less. Okay, I'll give the chance to anyone. Purnapama, tell.
सर वो 52 माइनस 46 है ना?
ये 14 नहीं है.
हाँ सर, ये 14 नहीं है. हाँ, ये 6 होगा आंसर.
So if you see that 6 is the answer here, so then you are
And y
going to
value
get
is
it.
3. Y value is 3.
Y value is 6. So no one identified. तो मैंने क्या कर दिया पता है? ऑलरेडी मैंने कैलकुलेट करके ये प्रॉब्लम आपको दिखाने के लिए पहले करके, गलत आने के लिए इसमें इस इक्वेशन को सैटिस्फाई होना है, इसको नहीं होना है, ऐसा वाला आंसर निकाल देंगे बोलकर मैंने फटाफट करते गया. तो बट व्हाइल डूइंग आल्सो नो वन आइडेंटिफाइड. ओके,
सर x का भी गलत है. x का भी सर 8.
तो 3 इधर भी y सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. 13 माइनस 9 आ जाएगा. 13 minus 9 is equals to 4 है. 4 by 2 is equals to 2 है. So now x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Now you check in both the equations. So first वाला भी satisfy होगा, second वाला भी satisfy होगा. So 2 into x क्या है? 2. 3 into 3. So 4 plus 9 which is equals to 13. 13 आ गया है. Second one 4 into 2 plus 5 into 3 which is equals to 8 plus 15 which is equals to 23. 23 आ गया है. पहले वाला देखो, first equation only satisfies. So that means by checking only one equation, if it satisfies, you are not supposed to confirm that the solution is right. So do remember, this one is the solution. This is a way to find out the solution, and using this, you try the problems, and the next exercise means this exercise, all the problems you try at home, and whatever you will not get, let us discuss in the next class. So more than 2 questions, because especially third bit problems are very, very essential. Most of you may get doubt with the 4, 5, 6 problems in the third bit. That let us discuss in the next class. Already time is up. So today, due to the network issue and connectivity problem, we faced a problem, and we have not continued the, not spend the more time. Okay, did you identify the mistake? So main करके दिखाया है, and this you remember and verify the solution in a proper way. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And 1 1